Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some sweet and sour prawns. So that's my prawns there guys, and it's king size. These are all of my seasoning. I have Cajun seasoning, I have onion powder, I have garlic powder, I have black pepper, and I have smoked paprika, and it's 1 teaspoon, and I also add just a pinch of salt. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil to my prawns. And guys, I already cleaned my prawns and I wash it with lemon and with vinegar. Okay, so you just want to pour at least 2 to 3 spoonful of oil, and you're just gonna take your hand and just rub it all in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna season my prawns. So you just wanna blend all of your seasoning together. Then you're just gonna take it and just sprinkle it on your prawns. So now you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna massage all that seasoning right on your prawns. And guys, you can always remove the shell from your prawns. And as you can see right there, I slice it, okay, and I clean it. But if you guys want, you can always remove the shell from the prawns. I don't want to remove it, so I just leave it as it is. So these are my remaining ingredients. Here I have some bell peppers, and as you can see all the colors, and I cut it up as you can see. So guys, this is my sweet and sour sauce. I have a video up on how I made this sweet and sour sauce. I will leave the link below. And that's my hot pepper sauce guys. My sweet and sour sauce is half a cup, and I have 3 spoonful of pepper sauce. So these are my kebab stick guys, because I'm gonna put the prawns and those stick. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm gonna add my prawns and my bell peppers to my kebab stick. So guys, just pay attention of what I'm doing now. Okay, so you just want to add your prawns first. Then I'm gonna add my bell peppers, my shrimp now, so that's finished guys. That's just one of my kebab there. That's exactly how you want it. That's perfect. So that's my second kebab right there, guys. And you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? So guys, they are finished now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna take my hot pepper sauce and just brush it on my shrimp. So now I'm gonna add my sweet and sour sauce that I made. And guys, I'm telling you, this sauce tastes amazing. Honestly, you guys have to try it. You have to make this sauce for yourself. It's so, 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 so good. If you make this for your family, they're gonna think that you're a chef. Because honestly, it's gonna taste amazing. They're gonna think that you are a chef. So I'm flipping my kebab over because I want the sauce to go on the other side. Okay? So guys, I'm gonna sprinkle at least 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning to my shrimp kebab. You just wanna sprinkle it all over, guys, like so. And I'm gonna also add some parsley. So they are all finished. So now I'm gonna add them to my grill. So I add some foil paper at the bottom of my baking tray, and as you can see I also add my grill on top. And guys, I oil my grill, okay, because I don't want my shrimp to stick on it. So now I'm just gonna place my shrimp right on my grill. Just make sure you space it out, okay. And you can also add some water at the bottom of your tray so your shrimp doesn't dry it out when you put it in the oven. So I'm just gonna add just a bit more sauce to my shrimp, guys, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 10 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius, okay? So after 10 minutes, guys, that's what my shrimp kebab look like. And I'm telling you, it look amazing and it smells so good. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some more of my sweet and sour sauce to my shrimp. So I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm gonna also add some sauce on the other side of my shrimp kebab. And guys, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 8 minutes, okay? No longer than that. So finally, guys, my shrimp kebab is all finished and it looks so good. I mean, just look at it, guys. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate, okay? So stay tuned. So my shrimp kebab is all plated up and that's what it look like. Here I have some corns and I also have some of my sweet and sour sauce on the side. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, guys, to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I would really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Love you. Mama, mama, mama.